Hello children, I am here with yet another story which we have already done in the class, Bus Ki Yatra, chapter 3. This story is written by Harishankar Parsai. Harishankar Parsai ji ने ये कहानी लिखी है. Let us see what happens in the story. It tells about the reality of journey in our country. ये हमारे देश की यात्रा की सत्य अवस्था को बताती है. So let us see the mind map. Bus. The story is revolved around a bus, a particular bus which is very old, बहुत पुरानी है. And all its parts are as if they are participating in the civil disobedience agitation. That means उसके हर हिस्से उनको देखकर ऐसा लगता है कि वो किसी अवज्ञा आंदोलन, गांधी जी के समय के अवज्ञा आंदोलन की तरह वो भी उनका स्वभाव ऐसा लग रहा है, क्योंकि एक पुर्जा भी सही से नहीं चल रहा है. So the 5 friends who are traveling in the bus, when they get ready to get into the bus, their friends, the people who are there to bid them by, they say, nobody, a good person, a sensible person will not travel in this bus, because they said that the bus is a witch, एक डाकिन है. That's what they said, because it is a very old bus, it can stop anywhere, anything can happen. When the bus started to move, what happened? One of the tire got punctured, and then finally what happened? They lost all hope. The friends lost all hope. उन्हें सारी उम्मीद छोड़ दी उनके पन्ना पहुंचने की. They had to reach Panna, and finally they lost all hope of reaching Panna, and they started to act in a fun way, fun-filled way. They started doing हंसी मजाक करने लगे. They started to make jokes and have fun. So that is the story. So let us see in short.
बस की यात्रा ये हरिशंकर परसाई ने लिखी है. ये कहानी 5 दोस्तों की यात्रा के बारे में. इट्स अबाउट द जर्नी ऑफ 5 फ्रेंड्स इन एन ओल्ड बस. द बस वॉज वेरी ओल्ड. द बस है बहुत वयोवृद्ध थी. एंड इट कैरीड द एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ ए लॉन्ग टाइम. सदियों के अनुभव के निशान लिए हुए थी. People who came to bid them goodbye were staring at them as if saying that this could be their last farewell, and it was okay because everyone needs a reason to leave this world, and this bus could be that reason for the friends to leave the world. So जो लोग उन्हें विदा करने आए थे वे कह रहे थे मनी मन, ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो मनी मन कह रहे हैं कि आना जाना तो लगा ही रहता है, आया है सो जाएगा. आदमी को इस दुनिया से निकलने के लिए, कुछ करने के लिए एक निमित्त चाहिए. ये बस ही हो सकता है वो निमित्त. The people in the friends, they thought the bus will not move on its own. लेकिन बस सचमुच चल पड़ी. The bus really started moving, and the friends were amazed. They said that it felt that the bus is on a civil disobedience agitation or non-cooperation movement. Maybe if the bus was young during Gandhiji's time, when Gandhiji did the non-cooperation movement. So they told कि इसका हर एक हिस्सा, each and every part of this bus was as if it is doing non-cooperation agitation, was not cooperating with each other. एक हिस्सा दूसरे हिस्से के साथ सविनय अवज्ञा आंदोलन कर रहा था. और कुछ देर बाद ये बस अचानक रुक गई. After some time the bus stopped suddenly. Then the driver tried lots of things. ड्राइवर ने बहुत कुछ किया और बस फिर से चलने लगी. The bus again started to move. Then what happened? The lights also became very dim, and suddenly it was very dark, and the bus was as if groping in the darkness. So बस की लाइटें भी चलती गई और ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसकी आंखों की ज्योति जाने लग गई है. दैट मीन्स द लाइट्स आर टर्निंग ऑफ. और चांदनी में रास्ता टटोल कर वह रेंग रही थी. So it was as if it was groping in the dim moonlight. Finally, once the bus tire got punctured. बस की एक टायर पंक्चर हो गई. फिर बस रुक गई. ड्राइवर ने फिर से उसकी टायर बदली. The driver changed the tire and then the bus again started moving. Finally, what happened was the people in the bus, the friends, they lost hope of ever reaching to Panna. They lost hope of ever reaching to their hometown. आखिरी में ऐसा हुआ कि लोगों ने पन्ना पहुंचने की उम्मीद छोड़ दी. पन्ना क्या, कहीं भी कभी भी पहुंचने की उम्मीद छोड़ दी. उम्मीद इज होप. So, and finally, their desperation and worries were over and they started to have fun in the same bus by sitting comfortably and telling jokes. आखिरी में उन्होंने अपनी सारी परेशानियों को दूर हटाकर मजे करने लगे, ये सोचकर कि हमें जिंदगी बस ही में बितानी है. They thought maybe we will have to live our whole life in this bus, and they stopped worrying about anything and started having fun. So this was the story.
So children, that was the story. ये थी हमारी कहानी बस की यात्रा हंसी मजाक से भरी हुई. So study well, go through this lesson, read well. Thank you and take care.